I'm going to show you what is good for a sore throat and if you like tea. Honey is a natural cure for a sore throat. So if your throat really hurts a lot in the wintertime like mine does, then if you take about a teaspoon of honey and swallow it, it's supposed to cure the throat. But I don't really like eating it plain. So what I do like to drink that helps is you can get the sweet tea or the unsweet. I just get the unsweet and then I put sugar in it. And then I also have my little cup that I got today. And I'm going to make that. And then we're just going to put some honey in it. This is all natural honey. And then I also have some sugar. But if you like tea, this is the best for a sore throat. And if you have a cold and your nose is runny, this helps a lot. Alright, so that's done. I'm going to turn that off. Alright, so I just add about 2 teaspoons. This is actually a tablespoon, so I'll add a little less to make it a teaspoon. Add about 2 teaspoons of sugar, and you can add more if you want more. And then I'm going to add, I'm just going to pour it in there, a little over a teaspoon. So you can add it as much as you want or as little as you want. But yeah, this is very good for a sore throat or if you have a cold. Especially the steam from it. If you put it in front of your face, it just helps. So that's usually what I drink in the winter time. So yeah, that's how I make it. And there you go.